Hi guys, this is Siddhi and you're watching me on Telechakkar. At last, Dino Moria has discussed his rivalry with John Abraham. The actor revealed in a recent interview that the news of his falling out with John first surfaced after his breakup with Bipasha Basu, who went on to date the Pathan star. Well, he said, "We never had any rivalry. We used to talk to each other and have fun with each other." The talk about the rivalry between us started in people's minds after I broke up with Bipasha and he started dating Bipasha. People started thinking that John was dating my then girlfriend, so there was a rivalry. Media also fueled this. Dino had told Siddharth Kannan. Well, the actor clarified that there has never been any rivalry between him and John. He revealed that they often text each other and praise each other. He also praises John by saying that he is really happy for where Dino is today and vice versa, because at that point when both of them had started out with their careers, people used to say that models can't act, and they both proved them wrong. John has really done extremely well, and totally is very proud of where John is in today's times, where John had broken with Bipasha a long time back, and Dino had stated the same. The actor also felt that at that point when he broke up with Bipasha, later on he was seeing someone else. I'm clarifying it after years. Me and Bipasha broke up, and almost 1 year after that, they started dating, and I had started dating someone else. He meant to say that, when Bipasha and John had started dating, Dino was looking at somewhere else. So he feels that why would there be any animosity? People just thought that John took my girlfriend, but it was nothing like that. The three of us used to talk, but people made it into something else. Dino was further telling in the Dino Moria and Bipasha Basu reportedly fell in love after meeting through a mutual friend. They began dating in 1996, but they broke up when Raz happened. Their 2002 film was being filmed. Recalling their breakup, Dino stated, "She came from Kolkata, I came from Bangalore. We were introduced by a common friend, and the duo were put up for a blind date," which is very interesting. I just heard that some supermodel is coming, and he was also a supermodel at that time. Well, that was their love story. For more such content, stay tuned only on Telechakkar.